Hello guys, I am going to show you the best free email marketing and automation software in 2024, which is Moosend. Use the link in the description to try Moosend for free. Moosend is a powerful email marketing platform designed to help businesses create, send, and automate their email campaigns with ease.
It provides a range of features tailored to meet the needs of marketers, from small businesses to large enterprises.
Here's why Moosend stands out in the realm of email marketing. Moosend offers an intuitive and easy-to-use interface,
making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, you can navigate the platform effortlessly.
Creating visually appealing emails is made simple with Moosend's drag-and-drop editor.
Users can design custom email templates without needing any coding knowledge, allowing for flexibility and creativity in crafting engaging content.
Moosend streamlines the email marketing process by offering robust automation features. Marketers can set up automated workflows based on subscriber actions, such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or personalized follow-ups, saving time and maximizing efficiency.
Moosend integrates seamlessly with a variety of third-party applications and services, including CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and lead generation tools. This enables businesses to sync data across different platforms and leverage their existing tech stack to enhance their email marketing efforts. Compared to many other email marketing platforms, Moosend offers competitive pricing plans with flexible options to suit different budgets and needs. This makes it an attractive choice for businesses looking to maximize their ROI without breaking the bank. Overall, Moosend's combination of user-friendly features, automation capabilities, personalization options, and affordability makes it a standout choice for businesses seeking to elevate their email marketing strategies and drive meaningful results. Try Moosend for 100% free using the link in the description. No credit card required.